Hey there, today I'll show you on how to create a pixel in Facebook Business Manager. To do this, go to facebook.com first and log into your account. And then after, click on the profile picture in the top right corner. After that, click on Settings and Privacy. And from here, click on Setting. You need to go ahead and log into Meta Business Suite as well. And once you're here, tap on Settings from the bottom left corner of the screen. Now from this page, scroll down and go to Data Sources. And from the drop-down menu, tap on Pixels. To create a pixel, click on Go to Dataset or View Datasets option. And here you can easily go ahead and tap on Add, that is also highlighted in blue color, and add a new dataset, give it a name, and then click on Create. Once you've done that, you will successfully create a pixel in Facebook Business Manager. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.